Good morning, you guys. So, thought I would vlog bright and early. I am just packing for our trip. It's been like a few days of packing because I did a video on Instagram sharing something that I've been working on right here, if you guys can see. And I also have a giveaway in today's video. I did a giveaway as well on my Instagram, so make sure you guys are following me there. But of the mini bags, I've got all 5 laid out right here. I honestly, these are the perfect size bags for summertime and for traveling, so I can't even decide which one I'm gonna bring on my trip yet. Let me know in the comments what you think, which bag I should bring, or if I should bring 2. Maybe the pink and the beige. Those are honestly my favorite, but in here, I thought I would share with you guys everything that I'm gonna bring on our family trip to Kelowna. I've only packed my stuff. I still have the girls. I don't know if I'll get to that in today's video, but I thought I would share everything that I've packed, as well as all the makeup, skincare, and things like that, and then also talk about my new product launch. So I've got lots of stuff under here, and basically, yeah, so we're going to BC, Kelowna, and we'll be by the lake, so lots of beach and things like that. So I have bathing suits that I just bought and a lot of summer dresses and stuff. So I thought I would share with you guys everything that I've packed, and it's just a little easier to pack than show you. The multitasking takes me a bit longer if I'm doing it at the same time, but I thought this would be fun. And also we had a family photo shoot, and we got permanent bracelets, so I thought I'd share some clips of that. So cute. The girls absolutely love their bracelets, and also it was from Shay, so she also did my tattoo of me and Sophia. Also got my nails done. Yeah, so that's what they look like right now. Sparkly pink. But yeah, I am gonna roll right in. We are going to go get bracelets and haircuts, and then we have our photo shoot later, and we've got really cute stuff. It is. I got these rompers from Shein. Okay, Sophia. Look how cute they are, though. And it gives a little spark. This part is fun. So you get to put your special glasses on. You do want to put some special glasses on?
You want my phone. Use the lights. Those are
little scissors.
Well, what are you using them for?
You got them, huh? Oh, head back, Mimi. I know, it's a funny...
Trust the right, don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready.
Okay, how cute is this though? I picked this up from TEMU, or was it Shein? I have to link it down below because I don't remember which one, but it's just for little samples that I get in my Ipsy bags and from Sephora and things like that. So just small little things, but I'm obsessed with it. And my eyeshadows fit in here too. You can see in the back there. And then little lip glosses and lip products also fit. So I just thought that was really cute to store them. I was gonna do the girls' elastics, but they already have something to do that with. I have a little bag for them, but yeah, this is just really, really adorable, and I've been obsessed with it. And it's acrylic. You guys know I'm obsessed with anything acrylic, and I just love the way it looks. So I need to wash these because I haven't washed these yet, but I bought a ton of new bathing suits. I have the ones I'm gonna bring in my suitcase. And also, by the way, I got this at Winners, the actual suitcase. I know I'll probably get questions. And also, yeah, I got this really nice teal colored bathing suit, which I think this is honestly one of my favorites. And then I got some really nice white ones, and I like how it comes with a wrap. That's really nice to have. And some black bathing suits. I got a black top, tie-up top. What is this? I don't even know what this is. Oh, it's a one-piece. So I got a one-piece black bathing suit. Here's another shawl. Most of them came with the shawl, which is nice. Where's the... Oh. yeah, so I will link some of the bathing suits that I got. Those ones I think you'll really like, the ones that I'm bringing. I also picked up these new organizers. You guys would have seen these a few weeks ago from Marshall's, which is kind of nice because you can pull out these inserts if you wanted to put larger items in here, but I really like them. They're cute. So I got one in pink and I got one in white, and they also stack. So I'm gonna fill these up a little later. The other thing I want to show you guys, I got this coconut coffee scrub and wash. OGX, I haven't used their stuff in so long, but this smells so good if you are a coffee lover. It's really light scented, but the coconut, oh, it smells heavenly. So I got it at Safeway, so it's in your grocery stores, but I'm just obsessed. So you guys know I have the mini pink travel case, also comes in beige. Now, I actually, when I was making these, I also designed a Big Mama version, which I like to call it. It really is. It's like, can we just like compare sizes here because it's massive. You can see the size difference. It's really, really big, and it also has spots individually to store your brushes, which I really, really like. Now let me show you here. I'm just gonna open it up. Now this was just a demo, so the front of it actually looks different, but I just quickly wanted to show you what it looks like on the inside, because the inside is just like, I'm obsessed with the design in the inside. This part here to actually store your brushes, it's so nice. The only reason why I didn't launch the larger version was I didn't know if people would like it because it is significantly bigger. Again, this would be for like people that travel a lot or people that are just really avid makeup lovers. The nice part about it is you can fit all of your skincare, your makeup, your hair care. Like if you're traveling, you can get everything in this. Like you can include your toothbrush, like everything would fit in here. So over on this side, I actually put jewelry, perfume, little samples, which I feel like really suits this mesh part. And I like this because you could put your jewelry, you could put other things that you want to keep protected in here. And then on the inside, I've got like all my skincare. Oh, and this is what it looks like on the back. So yeah, skincare, we've got perfume. You can put like full bottles of perfume in here, moisturizer, makeup. And then I've even got, yeah, like my serum on this side, full bottles you can fit in here. You don't have to put anything travel size, which is really nice. I even have a big bottle of Jergens. So everything fits in here. My lip products, which you guys know I love the Laneige, another fragrance. This is great for like hair and body. And hair clips, like literally everything. So let me know in the comments before. It has the exact same design. So like in the middle it has the Slmissglam, which I really love the way that looks. Probably one of my favorite parts is the brush holders. And you can actually fit, like if you were doing eye brushes, you could fit in probably 2 to 3 eye brushes. I would say 3. And then face brushes. So I just love the way they're protected. I like the way it looks. But yeah, let me know if this is something you would like to see. Or if you prefer the smaller sized version, then let me know too. And then in here, I basically just have like more makeup, my palette, and yeah, it's nice too because it has the handle. It's really easy to grab and pick up. Now for clothes and bathing suits, I'll show you the bathing suits first. Oh, and the inserts are from Amazon, so I will link them down below. Bathing suits, I got this really nice cream one. I just loved the look of this, and it also comes with the wrap. And then this one here, if you're into nude colors, beige, I liked the ruffles on it, so I got that. And then this one is the teal one that I was showing you guys that I really, really like. So that color, I love that color. And then I just folded all the bottoms over here just to show you guys. And then in here, or actually let's do this one. In here I've got some long summer dresses. I have a pair of pants. These are actually like beach pants, so you put your bathing suit on underneath. Got like a nice baby doll dress. Under there we've got another long dress. You can kind of tell the vibe I'm going for, just like florals and kind of like beachy. So yeah, under there we also have another slip dress that I got from Aritzia. And then on this side I thought I'd bring some pants because it does get cold at night. So I got these from Anthropologie, these really nice like white pants. I wore these when I went to New York as well. And then under that, I got those pants from Aritzia, and I'm just really into the comfy pants. These are really nice to wear with like short heels and like a nice top. So if we go for nice dinners, then I definitely will rock those. But yeah, that's basically it. I just know already the girls' stuff is gonna conquer, and I have to bring them so much stuff because we're going for a week, so it's quite a long trip. But yeah, I always love seeing what everybody brings on their trip, so that's why I wanted to do a little video of this. Everything is packed as far as skincare, makeup. I probably do have to bring a few sweaters, but I'll do that later. And then giveaway portion in today's video. So I wanted to give away a mini backpack. You guys can select whatever color you want. All you guys have to do is comment down below where is somewhere that you would love to travel to. And that's all I need to know. And make sure you guys are subscribed. I make it super, super easy. And you guys can pick any color. Totally forgot to show you guys these as well. So I did a reel, I think this was like last week, but of 3 different like date night dresses. Look how cute this is. I like never rock red, but I really, really love red right now. So I got that from Shein, and then also I got like a black slip dress, which I don't wear black often, you guys know this, but I just thought this was really cute to have like a little black dress, and really, really pretty. I actually am really like impressed with the quality of Shein. Like I only started shopping there, and the dresses are really cute. Their bathing suits are really cute. I even found my dress for the girl's birthday already on there. So yeah, I've been really liking it. So went to this store with my friend. I think this was like a week or 2 weeks ago. But it's like a really nice secondhand store here in Calgary. I forget the name of it, but I picked up this like really cute pink like raincoat, and it's really cute on. I really like it. So I think I'm actually going to bring this with me on my trip. It just makes sense, and you can tie it up at the bottom here, and it looks really comfortable, and it's light, which I like. It's super soft. So picked up some light crop tops. There's like this one, it's like frilly, and then this pink one, which is from Hollister. I haven't shopped there in years, but I just thought it would be really cute for like the beach. And then just like a cute little pink tank top. So for majority, the only stuff I'm washing right now that I haven't brought in there is just like shorts, jean shorts, and like tops. So that's what I'm gonna do a little bit after, but I wanted to just quickly show you guys those. I have this massive bag of clothes actually that I'm gonna bring there. So yeah, I was just like, what do I do with all my old clothes? So I think I'll probably do that when I'm back, but I have so much just clothes that I've gone through from a few weeks ago that I just do not wear anymore. And I really, yeah, I just want to declutter. It's so good to declutter. These drawers are all still filled, and I don't wear a lot of the clothes, so I'm glad I have at least one bag filled with stuff. The other thing I do want to find, I want to find some more wedges. So I'm on the hunt for wedges. You guys know that's basically all I wear in the summer if we're going out for like lunches, dinners, and trips and stuff. So, oh yeah, shoes. That's the other thing I need to bring. About to make breakfast, but I also want to let you guys know that the big tree that I ordered from Crate & Barrel arrives next week. So I'm really excited. It's like the big version like that, but it's even more like bushy and pretty, and I can't wait to see it. We finally have like something in our living room. I still need to find a mirror, but yeah, it's coming together. Just making breakfast. Look how cute. I can't handle this little espresso cup. So these are from Crate & Barrel as well. They're so cute. I filled it up though a lot. And just making eggs right now. I'm gonna definitely buy this for a trip. This is like a must. I love this iced coffee. I usually just have it black too. It actually tastes really good. I think it's around $8, but if you're just wanting a quick coffee, like iced coffee in the morning, it's good stuff. We're just getting everything ready for the trip though, but look how cute these are. They're for the girls to watch their shows in the back, so we have to download some shows for them, but it's really nice. Then it's peaceful, it's a little quiet, and they can watch their shows. Also, the last time we went up to BC, I subscribed to be a member for Grey Monk. I love their wines, but we do get, I think, 6 bottles every like 3 months. So I'll show you a few that we got. Ryan likes red, so that's his. And they sent over rosé, like a lot of summer rosés, and then some white, like Pinot Gris and Chardonnay. But yeah, these are really nice for the summertime. That's basically like what Kelowna is if you guys haven't been. It's like all wineries, lake, and kind of like what we did last year if you guys saw. our trip from last year, so I'm really excited. It's gonna be peaceful. Ryan's brother's coming out as well, and then 2 of our friends are also coming out towards like the last few days, so I'm really excited. You guys, look what I've been catching up on. It's like a blast from the past. Hold on, let's see if I can, there we go. You guys obviously know what show this is. One Tree Hill. I used to be obsessed with this show in high school, and I just started watching a few episodes of the first season, and now I'm on season 2. I think there's like 9 or 10 seasons, so let me know if you guys were a fan of the show, but I love this show. I think Nathan and Haley were always my favorite couple. And okay, I'm gonna eat breakfast, then I'm gonna go back upstairs. I have to get ready. Today's like an errands day, but I will be back on here shortly. So the girls definitely got into my office. I have like scrapbook stickers everywhere. I think it was Sophia. Sophia is just obsessed with stickers and she loves looking at the scrapbooks. So yeah, I'm gonna have to clean that up. I was going to do like an office clean with me, but I think that's gonna be in the next video because I don't have time to do it before we leave for a trip. But this office like needs to get cleaned. I have stuff everywhere and I've been like filming some reels and stuff over there, and it's just, yeah. And I have to turn this actually. This is supposed to go this way, like facing the window, my desk. So I think in the next video I will do that with you guys. And I was also just taking some photos of the Black Glam brushes. I haven't actually done videos of these in a while, and I love these brushes. It's probably one of my favorite sets that I've ever launched. And Baby Doll, just because it's so girly. But I am going to leave the vlog here. I hope you guys have an amazing week. Father's Day weekend, and again, I'll be away for the week, but I will hopefully have a vlog, like a travel vlog, go up for you guys on Friday. Yeah, I hope you guys have an awesome week, and I will see you guys in my next video.
And